at this whole thing.
Look at this thing. What is it?
I don't even know what it is.
Look at this thing.
Look at this brand new stock Saab. Dude.
Turbo, I got the motion. Convertible also. This is bringing back so many memories right here in this row.
I know.
This is hilarious.
Check out this Lotus.
Got the Datsun Pantera bread.
Pantera bread. One of my favorite restaurants.
It is.
Yeah.
Great soup. This thing is clean. Very straight and black. You make that deck panel that flat is like immense, dude.
What?
Dude, we're here at Cars and Coffee.
Yeah. No, this is sick. It's like I said, the rollout's already kind of happening, but it's all right. A little late. We're taking our time. Yeah, we're here for this show.
Had to have a coffee this morning.
There's still a ton here. Like I said, it's like the biggest one, and yeah, we're just gonna cruise around, checking some out, chatting with a couple people, and then yeah, we'll go watch the rollout.
Oh yeah, it's big.
Real big one over here.
Real big guy over here. Say something cool! Dang, you don't gotta flex on us, dude.
Point with the pop power move.
I love how now we're literally just trying to chase
I know.
Dustin at this
Trying to
point.
make sure he knows that
He's like,
we're not weirdos.
We're not weird.
We're like, dog, I know you.
Not even weird, bro.
We were hanging out in Chicago.
Oh. I don't know who it is.
He's Dustin Williams. He's
Dustin
a YouTuber.
Williams.
He's on the Valvoline team.
Oh.
He's buddies with TJ. Lives down on the south side. One of the guys that got a proto.
So we've been trying to catch up to him for like the past 5 minutes, and now it's about that
We're
time.
just like kind of just sitting in traffic.
It's just traffic on the 5. Just a typical
Yeah, you know,
day.
it's California.
It's California, dude.
That's how it goes, bud.
Whenever you come in 11:11,
Big time.
yeah.
Big time 11.
you totes 11.
Does that count as influencers in the wild?
No, because he wasn't trying to tube at that moment.
He wasn't. Yeah, you weren't catching nothing.
Oh, damn it, it was me.
We were you were influencing. Not we.
So someone got a cell phone shot of you hanging camera. We're busted.
Yeah. All of a sudden, this bro tries to make me French because he's all like, we are not all influencers here. You're the influencer.
Yeah.
No,
I'm
you're
just
one
the
of us
driver.
now, dude.
I'm just driving.
Nope, one of us.
U-R-E, my friend.
Yeah, there's a line in the sand, and it's right about
It's right
here.
about
No,
there,
we're in
my
this
friend.
together. You can't just separate us like that. All right, so what are we on now?
So now we are, we're here, we're at the shop, you know, doing things. Yeah, we out here, actually we're in here. But no, we got buddy John Remus, he's here to do some cool product shots for the eBay Motors builds. But yeah, we got some cool product partners that are helping us out with these rigs, and John's here to get some shots of those pieces so we can get some online content for those guys, because they help us out, we gotta help them out. That's how it goes. Little backstage. Like, no, this cart's available. Good for that. Let me clean this one off a little bit.
And that's why we're gonna do a reveal shot and show you guys in 3, 2, psych.
Bazinga. We're Forsberg's favorite shirt today. He didn't even know it was from the show. He's like, that shirt's stupid. I'm like, I know, but the shirt's awesome.
I love that shirt.
But this shirt is awesome. Harper up. Here's the thing. What I want to do is loud, cutty, dusty.
You're allowed to do that.
I'm going for it. Well, I have to create a tool, first of all. Some of these jack stands, can they be put back where they belong, or is somebody doing something with them? No problem.
Seen a SSR that hit a forklift?
Forklift wheel.
Oh.
Cuts deep.
Oh yeah, it certainly does.
Yeah. Remember that.
That was a big
Safety
one.
first.
There you go.
Yeah. It looks legit. So what we got going on, influencer
Taking
Jimmy?
springs off, dude. You're making me nervous right now.
Well, your influencer Jimmy, that's on you, bro.
Bro, here's the thing.
I'll show you the way not to do it.
These springs are sketchy, boy. I hate springs. Fucking hate springs. Sometimes it's still pretty bound up. It's sketchy. Can't like it. Yeah. All right. Safe.
So yeah, this morning we kicked off with cars and coffee and got to see some cool rigs. On our way out, we saw Dustin on the highway, which was pretty hilarious. Got some fun shots with him, just messing around, and got here to the shop. John's doing some photography work for us for the eBay Motor Show and our partners, and I'm just doing some backyard cleanup, just kind of reorganizing this stuff so I can make some more parking back here since we have more projects coming in. And yeah, Jimmy is about to go into some of the metal fabrication that the old blue Datsun needs so that we can get the steelite on that thing and start hanging our Techno Toy suspension on it. So just a little Saturday side project day, if you will, and yeah, some organizing, some cleaning up, and hitting a couple steps on other projects. So looking forward to seeing some metal work on that thing, clean up that engine bay and start laying some paint.
How much? Okay, so here's little questions for you.
I'm thinking
Boom,
everything.
boom,
yeah, I'm thinking
boom,
everything
like-
but this. I doubt we'll use this, but
Leave it for now.
we can always patch that off later.
So.
Well, yeah, these guys, yeah, fuck
Yeah,
these
so
guys.
for all of them.
All these old wire ties, these guys.
What about this dude? What's that guy? He's like a little. Is that like a coolant bottle guy? Does it work with this guy?
Well, everything's gonna be new and custom anyway.
Okay.
Even these guys, like they're cool, but like when you paint them, they just chip off and look.
Yeah,
So I wanted to just take all those off, leave these because that holds like the front bumper.
Of course. I wasn't taking any of that
yeah.
front stuff.
But yeah, this shit that like hold the factory
What about
coil. We're not
AC?
using that. I would say we get rid of that because, or we use as a ground.
Could be
Actually,
cool.
wait, leave
Could
that
be
for a
cool
ground. Leave that guy.
Just a secondary.
These
extra.
guys off.
So you got what about AC?
Gonna try and put it back in.
Okay. Brake lines.
One of these Datsun's gotta have AC.
These are pretty good. This it just actually maybe needs a cleanup and maybe just spray them out.
Yeah. But yeah, I would
It'd be
leave
cooler
them
if they were a different color.
Yeah.
Gray seal it, black seal it. What are we doing? Black, right?
all black. And I would leave leave the brake mount little clanky boys.
Who?
These guys.
Yeah.
So the only thing I'm seeing that we want to keep in here.
Oh, I was gonna keep this dude because it's under the tunnel.
That one's fine.
Yeah, but I thought like if anywhere there was a place where wiring into the trans would maybe need a little tie up, that would be it.
Yeah.
I'll just clean it up and not paint it. I'll clean the rubber up and then mask it. You know what I mean? So there's nothing
Sure.
flake.
Cool. This will get reused. That's the speed up.
Is it?
Yeah, I know you know that.
A lot of there's tachometers that
This-
trans like that too.
Oh no shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's hood release. Oh, yeah. And wiring will go through there.
Oh look.
And then that guy comes off. Pop that guy off, try and clean it up.
That's weird.
I'm thinking literally everything but those 3 tabs in this guy.
Yep. That's fine.
And whatever that guy is, we'll leave him too.
Yeah.
This looks a little hard to get to. It's fine.
Well, sure. And whatever. It's like buried sort of ish. So.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's fine down there. It'll be under the master, you won't even see it. Booster.
Master. You have tools at home that you know just do the job. Yep. And then you're just looking around aimlessly for something to get 30%. Yeah, that's my life. It's f***ing hilarious. Why you keep following me around, dude? Trying to do something here. Trying to do some stuff. Oh, it's not strong enough there. Alright, failed attempt 1. that, dude? Some professional or what? You see what it was like before? All scrunched and dunched. Look at that thing now. Beautiful. Good and clear? Yeah. All right, you're not talking. You weren't talking. Made me think that we were probably not. A little relay back forward. Yeah, I just wanted to switch foot. Great man. Stop.
Hammer time.
Now we're gonna go. You want to see some cool stuff? You want to see a bunch of
what
trash?
a couple Mustangs will do to you?
That's what a Mustang will do to a poor little
Oh.
Nissan Z. Mustang Central. And just had our kicked in. Look at down here. Even all the way down here. Come on. These big old fat boys out here just kicking on the little boys. Bolies. That's what I would call them. Probably a bully. Let's push this thing up.
I know, not even your real tool.
Yeah. Vice grips and a pry bar and a little bit of very odd, unsafe, peculiar moves. He had because what I do is I like do it and then I like push pressure with my legs so I can tap-a-roo. Well, here's what happened when that slips out. Look out! Stuff in the area. This is business. Meeting adjourned.
Wow. It looks freaking great, man.
That's why I get some of the bucks. It's too good to blow a lot out.
That's right.
Wait, what?
Nobody in this building's too good to blow a lot out. But my man, taking action.
Well, that's not bad for a Saturday. Just gonna finish up cleaning up back here, and the guys are killing it in the shop. Jimmy's looking really good on that Datsun. John's getting the photos we need, and I'm just out here pushing brooms. So everyone's got to do it.